Look at that. If it's, well, it's not perfect, but we're gonna be trimming this, so it's perfect enough. That looks so nice. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this, hopefully it works. I'm gonna make it from this go circular, so it's like a curve to the wall. So I'm gonna attempt to do that with this jar. See the curve there? That's what I was doing. Now I just need to turn it to here. And then I can cut it. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the curve. Perfect. Now, the other side. And there we go. Alright, let's try it in the window. And there you can see how it curves to the window, and it's nice and rounded. Alright, let's slide it in. Oh, wait. It might not be a problem. It might not be a problem. Because if we finish it like that, it'll hide that issue. Oh, fix the problem. Trimming. That looks better. Just got the shoes. The shoe. From this